Your neural network has a secret dial, a temperature knob that controls how confident it feels. The softmax function turns raw logits into probabilities, but tweak the temperature T and watch the magic happen. When T approaches 0, the model becomes certain. One class dominates, entropy drops, confidence skyrockets. But as T grows, everything evens out. Probabilities spread, uncertainty increases, entropy rises. Entropy measures that spread. The higher it is, the less confident your model. Understanding temperature and entropy isn't just math. It's how we tune trust and calibration in AI systems. Control the temperature, control the confidence.